Ever wonder how YouTube creators manage and grow their channels efficiently? Welcome to the secret behind the magic, YouTube Studio. This is the command center for all things YouTube, a one-stop shop if you will. It's a fantastic tool for channel management and growth. Imagine having a dashboard that gives you a snapshot of your channel's performance or a tool that breaks down your audience's behavior. That's what YouTube Studio offers, and more. It's packed with features like analytics, which provides a deep dive into your channel's data, helping you understand your audience better. There's also monetization, which helps you unlock various ways to earn from your content. And let's not forget channel customization, a feature that allows you to make your channel truly your own. YouTube Studio is a powerful tool that's integral to the success of any YouTube channel. So buckle up and stay tuned as we delve deeper into the world of YouTube Studio. Upon logging into YouTube Studio, you're greeted by the dashboard. Picture it as your personal mission control, providing an at-a-glance view of your channel's performance. It's here you'll find details of your recent uploads, giving you a quick indicator of how your content is faring. But that's not all. You also get a snapshot of your analytics. This is invaluable data at your fingertips. Plus, any news updates from the YouTube universe? They're here too. The dashboard is your command center, providing a quick snapshot of your channel. One of the most powerful tools in YouTube Studio is its analytics. This feature is like a treasure trove of information, offering insights into video performance, audience demographics, and viewer behavior. Think of it as your own personal data scientist, crunching numbers and providing valuable intel. Want to know how well your latest video did compared to the previous one? Analytics has got you covered. Curious about who's watching your content, where they're from, and what they like? Dig into the audience demographics section. Even more, it helps you understand your viewers' behavior. It shows when they are most likely to tune in, what makes them click away, and what keeps them hooked. This data isn't just for show, it's a roadmap guiding your content strategy. It helps you tailor your content to suit your audience's preferences, thereby increasing engagement and growth. Analytics is your secret weapon, helping you understand your audience and make data-driven decisions. YouTube Studio isn't just about data, it's also about maximizing your channel's potential. One of its features that can help you do that is the monetization feature. Now, you may ask, how do I monetize my work? Well, it's quite simple. You can enable ads on your videos and join the YouTube Partner Program. This way, you can start earning revenue from ads served on your content. But it doesn't stop there. YouTube Studio also offers a customization feature. This feature allows you to adjust the layout of your channel and organize your video playlists. So if you want to group similar videos together or highlight a particular video series, you can do that. This makes your channel more navigable and appealing to viewers. So with monetization and customization, YouTube Studio isn't just a tool for understanding your content and its performance. It becomes a tool for enhancing your channel's appearance, organizing your content, and of course, growing your channel. So you see, YouTube Studio is more than just a behind-the-scenes tool. It's a powerhouse that drives your channel's growth and takes your content game to the next level. Let's take a quick recap. YouTube Studio is your command center, your dashboard, giving you an eagle-eye view of your channel's performance. It's like your personal assistant, always ready with numbers, graphs, and insights to help you understand your audience better. And then, there's the analytics. From watch time to viewer demographics, from engagement reports to real-time updates, YouTube Studio Analytics is your data guru. It's like a crystal ball, revealing what works and what doesn't for your channel. But YouTube Studio isn't just about numbers, it's also your creative hub. It lets you customize your content, manage your monetization, and tweak your videos for maximum impact. It's like your channel's interior designer, helping you create an experience that keeps viewers coming back for more. So why wait? Dive into YouTube Studio, explore its features, play with its tools, and watch as your channel evolves, grows, and thrives. Don't forget to subscribe to it. How to do, smash that like button, share this video, and leave your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Remember, the more content you upload, the better YouTube Studio can help you grow your channel. Until next time, keep creating.